Hi everyone, today I, Surbhi, is going to give you a small recent news update on Supreme Court issues notice in plea by foreign medical graduates seeking direction mandating the induction in healthcare workforce in wake of COVID. Supreme Court has on Tuesday issued notice in plea filed by three associations of foreign medical graduates seeking a direction mandating the induction of foreign medical graduates in the healthcare workforce of the country to augment the ailing healthcare system. A division bench of Justice Nageshwara Rao and Justice Anuradha Bose issued notice returnable into 2 weeks after hearing submission of senior counsel Kapil Sibal appearing for the petitioners. The bench, however, indicated that it is not inclined to grant exemption from taking exams. The observation was made with reference to the relief of one-time exemption being sought to be petitioners association for their members and for all FMGs eligible to take the FMG examination from taking such exam and to be inducted into the COVID-19 workforce in order to augment the health infrastructure of the country. The bench said that we are not inclined to exempt from screening. We don't know which country you have studied and what is the education you have. That's why screening test is there. During the hearing, senior advocate Kapil Sibal submitted that there are mainly four categories of foreign medical graduates. First, those who have cleared the exams, done their internship but are not yet registered. Those who have cleared the exam but have not done any internship. Thirdly, those who have got 110 marks instead of 150, which is the minimum. He add that in this case the plea is that the government may ask to consider reducing the marks as was done in the case of NEET. Those who don't apply, who haven't appeared for the exams and haven't cleared also, they're willing to function and help in those COVID times. So the bench said that we are not very sure if we can grant you any relief for those who didn't clear the exams. Let us issue notice and let the other side come. We'll see. This is the bench said. So Sibal informed the court that another exam is going to be held on June 17th and requested the court to consider hearing the case before that. Sibal informed that the court, if exam is being conducted, all of you should take the exam. We can't grant exemption. We are not saying that your lordship can hold the relief accordingly. Issue notice. I'll make my submission at a time, Sibal said. The present plea has been filed by advocate Astha Sharma on behalf of the three associations, including first Association of MD Physicians, All India Foreign Medical Graduate Associations, and Russian Medical Graduate Association. The directions have been sought to Union of India and National Medical Commission. The petition sought direction to the Union of India to direct all states to immediate conduct of all the foreign medical graduates within their jurisdiction into the COVID-19 healthcare workforce and to provide facilities to such graduates at par with that provided to MBBS graduates with commensurate experience from India who are a part of workforce. The petitioner have also sought an alternative relief of reduction in the qualifying criteria of FMGs who had taken the FMG in December 2020 and to be brought at par with that of graduates who took the NEET postgraduate examination of 2020. So, by highlighting an precedent demand of doctors and healthcare professionals in wake of COVID-19 pandemic, the petitioners have approached the court seeking enforcement of their fundamental right to practice their profession, as also seeking to be placed at par with medical graduates who have obtained their primary medical qualification in India in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. That's all for today. I hope you get to know a new news today. Thank you.